Today I'm going to explain about the examples of Euclid division algorithm. So the exercise 1.1. The first problem is use Euclid division algorithm to find HCF of 135 and 225. Then what is the algorithm step 1? Observe the values A and B and check A greater than B. Here A equal to 25 and B equal 135. Next, check A greater than B. Here 225 is greater than 135. Now we can divide 225 by 135. So 135 is 135. Now the remainder is 90. This we can write as 225 equal 135 into 1 plus 90, where the remainder 90 is less than the divisor 135. Now the step 2. What is the step 2? Check whether the remainder is 0 or not. Here the remainder are equal 90. So we have to go to step 1. That means apply the Euclid division lemma to 135 and 90. Here A equal 135 and B equal 90. Divide 135 by 90. 190 is 90. The remainder is 45. This we can write as 135 equal 90 into 1 plus 45, where the remainder 45 less than the divisor 90. Here also the remainder are equal 45. Again we have to do the division. Now A equal 90 and B equal 45. Divide 90 by 45. 245 is 90. 90 minus 90 is 0. Now the remainder are equal 0. If the remainder are equal 0, B is the HCF. B is 45. So the HCF of 135 and 225 equal 45. Now we'll move to another example. 196 and 38,220. Apply Euclid division algorithm. What is the algorithm? Observe the values A and B and check A greater than B. Here A equal 38,220 and B equal 196. Now check A greater than B. Here 38,220 greater than 196. Now we can divide 38,220 by 196. 196 is 196. The remainder is 186. This 2 will come here. Now 9196 is 1764. The remainder is 98. This 0 will come here. Then 5196 is 980. Now the remainder is 0. This we can write as 38,220 equal 196 into 195 plus 0. This 0 is the remainder. What is step 2? Check whether the remainder is 0 or not. Here the remainder are equal 0. So B is the HCF. B is what? This divisor is 196. The HCF of 38,220 and 196 is 196. I will explain one more example. 867 and 255. Here A equal 867 and B equal 255. Check A greater than B. Here 867 greater than 255. Now we can divide 867 by 255. 3 255 is 765. Now the remainder is 102. This we can write as 867 equal 255 into 3 plus 102, where the remainder 102 is less than the divisor 255. What is step 2? Check the remainder are equal 0. Here the remainder are equal 102. So we have to go to step 1. That means apply Euclid division lemma to 255 and 102. Here 255 is greater than 102. Now we can divide 255 by 102. So 102 is 204. Then the remainder is 51. This we can write as 255 equal 102 into 2 plus 51, where the remainder 51 is less than the divisor 102. Now apply the Euclid division lemma to 102 and 51. 102 is greater than 51. Now we can divide 102 by 51. 251 is 102. 102 minus 102 is 0. What is the step 2 algorithm? If the remainder are equal 0, B is the HCF. Here B is 51. So the HCF of 867 and 255 equal 51.